The key ID incorrect error is one of the most frustrating problems Nissan owners face. This error appears when your vehicle's computer system cannot recognize your key fob's unique identification code. This problem primarily affects Nissan vehicles equipped with intelligent key systems, especially models manufactured from 2007 onward, when this technology became widespread. When this error occurs, you'll typically see several warning signs. The most obvious is the key ID incorrect message displayed on your dashboard, but there are other symptoms to watch for. The root causes of this error fall into three main categories. The most common cause is key fob-related issues, particularly a dead or weak battery in your key fob. The second major category involves vehicle system problems. These include issues with the body control module, antenna systems, and wiring that connects all the components together. Finally, environmental factors can also trigger this error. Electromagnetic interference from other devices, extreme temperatures, and physical obstructions can all disrupt the communication between your key fob and vehicle. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward resolving the key ID incorrect error. In most cases, the solution starts with checking the simplest component, your key fob battery. The first and most common solution is checking the key fob battery. Most Nissan key fobs use either CR2025 or CR2032 batteries that should be replaced every 2 to 3 years. Check the battery voltage, which should be 3 volts, and ensure proper orientation when installing. Always use quality batteries for reliable performance. Next, inspect your key fob for physical damage, moisture, or corrosion. Water damage is a common cause of key fob failures. Look for signs of moisture damage, corroded contacts, or damaged circuit boards. Check that all buttons function properly. Try starting your vehicle from different positions. Hold the key fob closer to the push button start, as proximity can affect signal strength. Test different seating positions and try holding the key fob directly against the start button if other positions fail. If basic troubleshooting fails, try a system reset. There are two main reset procedures, basic reset and BCM reset. For a basic reset, remove the key fob from the vehicle, wait 5 minutes, re-enter with the key fob, then press and hold the brake pedal and push button start simultaneously for 10 seconds. For a BCM reset, disconnect the vehicle battery for 15 minutes, reconnect it, then try starting the car. Drive for 10 minutes to complete the relearn process. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced diagnostics may be needed. This includes OBD2 scanning for error codes and key fob signal strength testing. Professional diagnostics can identify BCM error codes, test antenna systems, and verify key fob signal strength. This typically requires specialized equipment and may need professional assistance. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Replace key fob batteries every 2 to 3 years. Protect the fob from extreme temperatures and moisture, and keep a spare key properly programmed.